In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own perfect money account in an easy way. I'm also going to show you this highly trusted site that you can use to top up your perfect money account balance. So if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And now without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, just search on Google perfect money, and then you'll be able to see the perfect money site at the top. Just click on it and you'll visit to this kind of interface. Once you visit here, just click on this sign up. Now you need to fill out this form. So let me quickly fill out this form. So just type this account name. You can put either your own name, okay, or whatever name you want, you can put it. And then you can put your full name at here, and your city, address. In address you can put your state, and in country you select your country. In zip postal code, if you don't know what your zip postal code is, then simply type your city name and postal code in Google, and you'll find this kind of code. Put your email address, phone number, okay, and just select personal and type a password that you can remember, okay. And once you complete all of these things, then just fill this Turing number, that would be 3161512, and then scroll below, read this terms and condition if you want, and then just click on I agree and then click on register. Now you can save your ID and password here. So now our account is created in an easy way. Now our member ID has been sent to our email. So now just visit to your email, and you can see I've received 2 emails. So now if I open this email, then you can see here is my member ID, which I can copy and save it in a safe place. So in this email we get our member ID, and in this second email we'll get our funding instruction, but you don't need to read this email because I am going to show you an easy way to fund your account. So again, let's go back to our perfect money and just click on this login. Now here in member ID, just delete this email and paste your member ID, and in Turing number just type this Turing number and click on authorize. Now again you can save this your username and password, and you can see here now I am able to log into my account. Now I can immediately start to use this perfect money account without even verifying my account. Now if I don't verify my account, then in that case I will be charged a little bit high commission, but if I verify my ID, then the commission that I need to pay to perfect money will be a little bit lower. And if you don't want to verify your account and keep on using perfect money, then you can do so for a little bit long time, okay. It is not like any other type of wallet where you need to immediately verify everything, okay. You don't need to verify immediately everything, but in case if you want to verify your account, then you can just simply click on this identity check and click on manage modify setting, and then you'll see this kind of interface. So you can scroll below, okay, scroll below. If you want to make some changes at here, you can do it, and you can scroll below, and here you can see account verifications. Now just click on this verification management. So this is the account verification section where you need to verify 3 things, okay. One is going to be your ID, that would be your passport, driving license, or maybe citizenship. Passports or driving license, it is saying passport or driving license. You can have these 2 and submit this at here, and within few hours your passport or driver license will verify your ID, or in simple word, name validation. And in case of address validation, you can submit either your bank statement, okay, utility bill, or gas or electricity bill at here, and within few hours your address will also be verified. And in third, you will get to verify your phone phone. So while doing phone validation, most people get stuck here because they, even if they verify both of these things, they still don't see the option to verify their phone. Now in that case, what you need to do is you need to contact the support of perfect money. To contact the support of the perfect money, what you need to do is you need to click on this help, and you will see this kind of interface. Now once you see this kind of interface, then just click on this customer support service, and you will see this kind of interface. Now you can just click here to submit a ticket to perfect money customer support. Now you need to type, hi, I'm unable to verify my phone number, this is my phone number. Just type your phone number and send it to them, and they will verify your phone number automatically within few hours. Now in this simple way you can create your own verified perfect money account in an easy way. So now let's talk about the site, a trusted site where you can buy perfect money balance in an easy way. So what you can do is simply type on Google easy cards, not this, easy y cards, and this is going to be the site. You can simply visit to this site, but before that I want you to visit to this one, Trustpilot easy cards ltd review. Okay, and once you visit to this site you will see this kind of interface where you can see what other people's are telling. So here you can see someone has problem with easy card and they have easy card have replied to them. So maybe he or she is in the prohibited country, that's why there was a problem. So they gave easy card 1-star review. Here are other review from people who are extremely happy with easy card. Here you can see this is another review. So it is saying stealing site, and there also easy card have replied, what is your order ID, you can open ticket. So now I have personally bought lots of time from easy card and I have never faced any kind of problem. Of course when I order, then there may be certain type of delay like 2-hour 3-hour delay, but they do deliver your money. Okay, you can see all the review, lots of people have gave good review to this easy card, and you can use this easy card site to add dollar to your perfect money. Now you can purchase any of these high amount dollar directly, or you can just select this $1.20 option and buy it for multiple times. Let's say you just need $9, then you can buy it for like 8 times or 7 times. Okay, by adding it to cart. So for example, let's click on this one and you will see this kind of interface. Just you need to put your perfect money account, that would be this one. Okay, just copy this, okay, and then paste it at here in this way and then add it. So let's say if you want to buy $6, then you can just make this 5, okay, and you will receive $6 5 times 1.20. if you need more you can just keep on adding it and then just click on add to cart, and you will need to pay certain commission to them, and you can use your MasterCard, debit card, credit card or anything to buy this perfect money, and within few hours they will send your perfect money to this account. Furthermore, you can use easy card to buy lots of other things too. This is one of the trusted site, you can trust it. Okay, so guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video and take care. Have a great life ahead. Bye bye.